Hey Revolve, it's Danielle and Alix, celebrity wardrobe stylists.
Today we'll be diving into the 3x5 style method, showing you how to build the ultimate lineup of looks just in time for festival season.
If you're not familiar with the 3x5 method, we'll be pulling 3 categories of clothing, 5 items each, mixing and matching to curate the perfect festival wardrobe this season.
We'll be curating 10 interchangeable looks everywhere from day to night, desert to the afters.
Proving that an edited wardrobe can also make a statement.
Here's how it works. For tops, we chose a graphic baby tee, an embellished tee, a white tank, and a green tee for that pop of color.
For bottoms, we chose your classic denim, a white short, a cool pant, a denim short, and an elevated sweatpant.
For jackets, we chose a black leather jacket, a suede jacket, a brown leather, a white nylon sporty jacket, and a canvas jacket.
All right, kicking off with our favorite pair of denim with a twist. These are the AGOLDE black jeans that have this crisscross detail. So cool for festival and beyond. And I styled it out with this white area tee. What's so cool about it is this embellished detail. Again, another classic with a twist.
And I styled my AGOLDE jeans with an Alexander Wang graphic baby tee and an oversized EAVES leather jacket. These are all pieces that I can continue to wear way beyond festival season.
And obviously comfort is key when it comes to festival season. We're both in sneakers that can take us from day to night. I leaned into this soccer trend, which Revolve has so many cool styles of these Adidas sneakers right now.
And I am forever wearing Salomons. They're so sporty and cool and really just, you can't go wrong.
Now to style out the outfits, let's start with sunglasses. For me, I love investing in a nice designer sunglass. This is something I'll wear to festival season and then also through spring, summer, and beyond. I'm gonna lean into all the silver going on in my outfit, these Bottega glasses, and they have a slightly translucent lens, which is such a cool trend right now.
And I'm loving a classic SHEVOKE Sunny. Wanted to tie in this kind of all black look that I have going on.
So we need a bag for the festival. I'm opting for this 8 Other Reasons black classic bag. This bag was perfect.
And I'm gravitating towards this pre-loved Saint Laurent bag from Forward Renew. I love a crossbody bag for a festival. It means you can go hands-free and really just elevates the look with that designer touch.
And because my outfit really is just jeans and a white tee, I'm super excited to accessorize this. I actually found the matching necklace and earrings that pairs with the area tee. It's all area. And what I love, especially when you're traveling and it's festival season, just knowing exactly what a full set is, the jewelry and the t-shirt matches perfectly.
Okay, so since this is an outfit that you might see every day, I'm really leaning on my accessories. Love this pop of color. I'm gonna tie it around my neck, but there's so many ways you could wear it. So a bandana is perfect for festival. It's a great way to add a pop of color, do something fun, and really accessorize everyday look. And lastly, I love this hat. I feel like this is kind of the missing piece to my look. And I love a trucker instead of like a cowboy hat or something like that. This just kind of gives it that ultimate cool girl element.
And then of course, to take my look from day to night, I need a jacket for the desert. So I'm gonna opt for this white nylon EAVES option. It's so cute. I love the nylon sporty trend. And I also love all of the silver hardware on the zipper that matches the outfit I already have on from the daytime.
So this is the final look of look 1. I love how it came together.
And we're so excited to show you how we're gonna take all of these pieces and style them so many different ways for festival season. Okay, so the next bottom we'll be styling is the classic white short. Last season, we saw micro shorts as a big trend, especially around festival season. So this year, we're going a bit more relaxed with a white linen boxer. So comfortable, so breathable for all day at a festival. And I styled it with a little baby tee, a little green pop of color to give it that festival feel, and then paired it off with a pair of brown cowgirl boots.
And I really wanted to lean into this like sporty track jacket trend. So the jacket is the focus of my look. Obviously have my foundational white tank on with my shorts, and just for that little bit of contrast, added a black boot. And I feel like it's this cool play on like sporty but Western.
Obviously for a daytime festival, we need a pair of sunglasses. So I was thinking my favorite trend right now is a translucent glasses, and I thought that was so cute with this outfit. So I pulled these from Lexola.
Those are so you.
And the brown ties in with the boot.
I love these from Respect, such a favorite go-to brand. And I feel like I needed to kind of add in some black to match my boot.
So then next we need a bag for day to night. We love a vintage bag, especially for festival season and for everyday wear. So I was thinking of this little Gucci bag, and you might think the purple and the green is unpredictable together. That's kind of what makes it cool. There's no rules with festival styling.
It's perfect.
And then for you, why don't we do the black Prada so we're both in a vintage bag, because we have to twin.
Love, and I think again, adding that element of like black to match the boot and my sunny.
Very cool.
All right, it's time to take our outfits from day to night, so I need a jacket. And I went with our tried and true favorite girlfriend leather oversized jacket. We have this in black and brown. It's such a wardrobe staple. And our pro tip is we like to size up to an XL to give it that really oversized, boxy feel.
And for my trendy track jacket, I actually zippered it, played with the little edges on the end to kind of let it sit like this.
And last but not least, jewelry is so important for a festival look. I opted for a mixed metal necklace and earring set. I love this trend going into spring and summer. And also when you're getting ready for a festival and you're all crazy and rushing around, it's so nice to have pieces that match and go fully together.
And my tip is that I opted for silver jewelry, and I really love to match my jewelry with my bag hardware. I feel like that just kind of ties in a look really nicely. And then I have a pre-layered silver necklace, which I love and really completes the outfit.
And I love our matching under the knee boots. They're both from Deco Copenhagen. You in the black, me in the brown is just that subtle nod to Western with a sporty twist.
Okay, so now we're in our cool girl pant. We're really loving this like straight leg cargo.
And I have to shout out Danielle Guzio for this adorable baby tee. First off, she just like kills the baby tee. It's the perfect amount of crop. And how fun is this little like playful nod?
Business professionals over here.
And I'm actually wearing the same white tank that Danielle had on before from AGOLDE. Such an everyday wardrobe essential, just styled for festival now. And yet we both had these Jaded London cargos for years, so I'm obsessed with this new color iteration. And then I tied it together with our Salomons, which we've been loving for festivals, and this really cool monochromatic color.
And I had to pair my look with my black Western cowboy boot, kind of just that cool little Western element. All right, so now let's style this with the festival twist. First, I'm eyeing these Gucci black sunnies with that silver hardware. It really matches that like silver earring moment with my ear cuff.
I love that, and I love the way it ties in with the black boot, the tee. And for me, I'm really focusing on a monochromatic look for this. So I'm gonna go with these Gini glasses, which is one of my favorite sunglass brands on Revolve.
Okay, so for my bag, I wanna add in a black element. So I'm really thinking that black Margiela. So fun. I love a shoulder bag, great for a festival. You don't have to hold it.
And I'm still on the vintage bag train for festival, and also as just an investment piece for your wardrobe for spring and summer. So I am gonna go for this little Dior saddle. Can't go wrong. I love the worn-in denim detail to add a little pop to my outfit.
And another trend jacket moment, I have to put on this canvas jacket. This one's from Lioness, which we love, and really just completes the look.
And then for me, to tie in this final monochrome look, I pulled this girlfriend suede neutral jacket. It ties in so well with the pant and the sneaker. And again, this is another piece that I'll be wearing all spring and summer, throw it on with denim, so many different looks, but I love a little monochromatic moment for a festival. And of course, I just wanted to add on that we have such fun jewelry with our looks. We both really dressed it up with more diamondy pieces because our looks are so cash, and I feel like we're so coordinated and ready to go. Now we're so excited to style one of our favorite trends, which is a long Bermuda short. We always say our style is very tomboy femme, so I feel like these are the perfect illustration. These are from Citizens of Humanity. This taupe color is so good going into spring, and I styled it out with this baby tee that Danielle had on before, so you could see totally different vibe this time, a lot lighter of a color palette, but still works. And then to edge it up a bit, I threw on these diesel boots, which will be so comfortable day to night. And one of my favorite festival accessories is a headscarf.
Taking it back to the 3x5 styling method, the key is to incorporate pieces you love, pieces that will live far beyond festival season. sticking to some type of color palette is really great because everything can kind of be thrown in together, and ultimately will save you so much space and time when you're picking out your festival looks.
And we could honestly share a suitcase together because there's only 15 pieces between the two of us. So many ways to mix and match these styles. So not only am I stealing clothes from Danielle, but I'm also stealing her sunglasses. But I was eyeing these black SHEVOKE pair to tie in the boot and the writing on the t-shirt just to incorporate some more of that element.
And a fan favorite, Lou Goldie. I love these. They're brown, so I feel like it kind of goes with that green and again, color palette that we're featuring. All right, so back again in our go-to brown leather girlfriend jacket. You cannot go wrong. Again, I love this color palette, just like brown and neutrals. And you know we love an oversized look. And leaning into kind of that like cool vintage moment. I am obsessed with this vintage Dior bag. It's a crossbody, which again is so convenient for festival, and there's also like so many ways you can wear it.
And for a second time, we'll be utilizing our favorite lioness cargo jacket. Again, leaning into this neutral tone I think is really big for us this festival season, and finding fun ways to style with accessories like my headscarf, and to tie it all together, adding in this Miu Miu crossbody. Quite the find. So easy, throw whatever you need in here.
As you can see, we've kind of already worn a lot of these pieces, but by mixing and matching, they create totally different vibes.
And as much as I love these shorts for festival season, I'm so excited to see how we style them for spring and summer.
Okay, so this might be one of my favorite looks because we are both wearing the new Alexander Wang elevated sweatpant. And one of the most important things about festival season is comfort and being comfortable so that you can really take your look from day to night. So I'm obsessed with these sweatpants. I love the leather belt detail. I wore it with the white tee that we saw earlier. And finally, my favorite chunky black boot. I always try to wear at least one chunky pair of boots. They're great for festival, they're great for the desert. And this is the most comfortable look that I'll be in.
And I styled mine with the same Alexander Wang tee you saw earlier, and it happened to work out because now I'm in a full set, which I love, especially for a trip. It just takes the decision making out of putting together an outfit. And I think because we're in sweatpants, these looks are really gonna be about the accessories, so I'm excited to get into it.
Okay, so my look really needed a strong sunny. I love these silver ones from Brooch with the colored lens.
So cute on you. And I really want to lead into this Alexander Wang vibe. So these pair from SHEVOKE are the perfect addition to my outfit.
Okay, I have the perfect Alexander Wang bag to complete your look.
I love this, so cool, so sporty.
And I've already worn this, but I think it's great to call out that like when you invest in great pieces, you really get your use out of them. And it just really works with this look too.
And since we'll definitely be taking these sweatpants day to night, I'm gonna opt for this EAVES black leather jacket, which I know you had on earlier, and I know we'll both be wearing for a while. Such a great investment piece, and again, we sized up in that larger sizing to give it that cool tomboy femme vibe that we love.
So I know we still have the suede jacket to utilize, and I think it's perfect just to have as a layer for nighttime. What do you think?
I think it's so cool. You got the silver hardware, you have the interesting arm detail. It gives it that festival vibe.
All right, so that is the last look we are doing with the 3x5 style method. So you've seen 10 looks using only 15 pieces. We mixed and matched and everything worked perfectly together.
The pieces were so versatile. We even were able to style them 2 different ways between the two of us. And we're so excited for festival season now.
Thanks so much for watching. Comment which look is your fave.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel below. We can't wait to see how you style your looks this festival season. Bye.